Guys, today I'm going to be showing you something really exciting. I'm going to be showing you some new update features that I think Wonder Software need to look towards adding, because based on the recent update that they shared, the 0.9 update, I think everything looks good. But I think for me personally, there are some improvement that needs to be made in this new update. And so here are my top 4 list of things I do recommend that Wonder Software add as of 03 based on their recent update. Alright, as we proceed, do want to give this video a like and subscribe. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing that I recommend they add is the openable doors. Now guys, if you watch closely from the recent update, you will notice that even after the new drivers have been added, the drivers still disappear from the exterior and appear from the interior part of the truck, so it's not realistic. And we all know that Truckers of Road 3 is a very realistic game based on how we call it, and it needs something that will make everything very realistic. So I do recommend that Wonder Software add the openable doors to the game to make it more realistic and much more better. This is gonna improve the game a lot, because for me personally, I don't like the disappearing and appearing of the driver into the interior cabin and stuff like that. So I do really recommend they add the openable doors. Alright, next up we have the traffic intelligence. So in this version 0.9 update, Wonder Software added new type of traffic. They included some new type of vehicles and AI type of vehicles and stuff. So but honestly, I will tell you for free that the traffic intelligence is not the best. I already know that the traffic intelligence is still in work in progress, but I still recommend they make sure that the traffic actually goes well, and that they actually do fix the traffic and all the issues in the traffic. But right now the traffic intelligence is not good. It doesn't drive well. Some vehicles, just when you hit some vehicle, they automatically disappear and stuff like that. So I do really recommend they improve the AI intelligence and the AI traffic that they're going to add, because the current vehicles are really cool. The vehicle models are really impressive, but I actually need to improve the AI intelligence in the game. This is the second thing I recommend. Alright, next up again we have the modding. Now I'm really surprised that Wonder Software haven't talked a lot about this modding feature 15, because for me, modding is gonna improve the game. Honestly, guys, you can see the recent mod that I shared that Chinese modders have added. They have added some type of trailers and some passengers and a lot of customization that they also added in the previous mode. So I do recommend that Wonder Software actually grant access to modding very quickly, because this is honestly gonna improve the game a lot. Even though they were not gonna be waiting for new updates and stuff, we can actually be adding modes created from players and stuff like that. So modding is a key part of this game. Honestly, it's gonna help the game a lot. I keep saying it all the time that modding is gonna help Truckers of Road 3 a lot. I mean a lot. So Wonder Software should look towards adding modes to the game. It's really gonna help a lot, and it's really gonna help with the fans and also them, because we shouldn't be waiting for them all the time for updates. So I really do recommend the add modding. Alright, next up is that we really need to get the remaining accessories, interior accessories for the trucks that haven't yet received it. So right now it's completely 1 year now since we got the last interior accessories for a truck. So ever since then we haven't gotten any other interior accessories for the remaining truck. I think there's still some couple of trucks in the game that needs those interior accessories, and I think most of us also have our favorite truck that haven't yet received these interior accessories. So it's really not good. We do want to see the remaining trucks in the game, they get their full accessories. So that's basically it. Those are the 4 features that I actually do want Wonder Software to improve in the next update. And also, if there's any other features that you do want to see in Truckers of Road 3, if there's any other new features that you recommend that they should improve on, please do it to let me know in the comment section. And as usual, I'll catch you guys in the next one.